Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So, today we will going to learn about kitchen tools and vocabulary by English speaking. So, let's get started. Learners, do you know what is apron? Apron is a cloth and we should wear it while cooking because it protects from getting dirty while we are doing some cooking activity. Next comes the blender. Now, in our day-to-day busy life, no one wants to spend much of the time in the kitchen. So, blender is such an amazing tool in the kitchen. It blends the food item in just a second. So, it saves a lot of time. You do not have to spend much time in the kitchen. So, next comes the bottle. Now you must be knowing what is bottle. Bottle is a container which helps to store water in it. Our next comes the bottle opener. Bottle opener is such an amazing tool that it helps to open the soda bottle cap or the cold drink bottle cap so easily in just a second because the caps are so harder that it can't open easily by hands. So, for that, bottle opener is the really very best option. Now, next comes the bowl. We all must be having bowls in our home because it can store solid as well as liquid items. Next comes the knife, means butter knife. We all must be having knife in our home for cutting veggies. But there is also a knife called butter knife for cutting butter. Now next comes the spatula. Spatula is a kitchen tool which helps to flip the roti or the omelette or the pancake in an easy way. Next comes the potato smasher. We all love to eat pav bhaji, whether it's from hotel or from street or we make it at home. But do we know that how the bhaji or the curry is smashed? It is smashed with the help of potato smasher. Next comes the rolling pin. We all must be having rolling pin at our home to roll out the rotis or the parathas very easily. Next comes the pan. Pan is such a thing in that we can make dry or gravy food items. Comes the toaster. Toaster helps to toast the bread from the both sides in just a second. Next comes the tong. Tong is a tool which tong is having two-sided shoulder and it joins at the end. Next comes the whisk. We all love to eat pancakes, but for making the pancake, we should mix the batter by the whisk. Comes the wok. Wok means a utensil which is very deep from inside and mostly called and mostly used in Chinese food items. Next comes the kettle. Kettle is used to hot water instantly in just a second. Next comes the dish rack. Dish rack is used for keeping all the utensils in a proper way. Next comes the cutting board. Cutting board is used to cut all the veggies as well as fruits. Next comes the grater. We all love to eat momos because they are so soft and tender from inside, so tasty because the veggies in the momos are grated with the help of grater. Next comes the cutlery. Learners, when we go to the restaurant or a hotel for a dinner or a lunch, so on the table we can see different types of spoons, forks as well as knife. So these all spoons, forks as well as knife are known cutlery. Next comes the lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer is used for squeezing lemon juice for making nimbu pani. So guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, and of course don't forget to like, share and comment on our video because we will make more such an interesting videos like this.